Alright, I'm outside by the septic tank, and I'm on the bottom here measuring 115 inches. Now, tank is about 12 inches off the ground, so deduct 12, 103 inches from ground level to the bottom of the tank, which is 8 foot 7 inches. So the tank is 8 foot 7 inches underground. Now to the hooking it on the top bottom of the lid, I got 45 inches minus 12, 35, 34, 33, 33 inches. So the top of it is 33 inches from ground level to the top of the tank. So that's the dimensions of the tank as far as how deep it is. It is what it is. Now I have a thermometer hanging in here from days ago. It is still 38 degrees, about in the middle of the tank, maybe a little warmer towards the bottom, not sure. But keep in mind, I don't have this insulated. I have this top not even closing. There was gaps up here, so all the hot air is escaping. The baffles are open with a pipe going outside, cold air is getting in. So without even plugging this with insulation, without even putting a tarp over it, still hanging at 38 degrees. Now, right now it's about close to 50 degrees out, probably 45, and it's a constant 38. The other day I was out here at night when it was like 2 degrees. It was 37 degrees in there. So no matter what the outside temperature is, it seems like the chamber is staying at 37, 38 degrees. From 0 to 50, it's staying about the same. It's pretty constant down there. And that is with the leakage. So I'm expecting, after I plug this up with insulation, spray foam, the baffles closed and whatnot, it should be a little warmer down there. I'm hoping in the 40s. But that's how we're looking here. Alright, so I already have electricity and water inside the septic tank, because that's a root cellar, which I'm not using. So I bought some PEX, which is also going to feed from the tank into the greenhouse, and so is electric. So I'm ready. I do want water back there for watering purposes and to clean out the greenhouse. And I have a hose back in the garden, but I don't like it. It might leak, so probably going to run everything off this new PEX underground. I know there's some people who say you shouldn't put PEX underground, but as long as it's not exposed to UV rays and we protect it from rocks puncturing into it, it should be fine. And here is the 4-inch drainage tube. I bought solid, not perforated, because I don't want, I'm using a tank. I want it all to go in the tank and back out. I don't want to lose much through the ground. I probably bought 2 times as much as I need. Got some other projects I'm sure I'll use it for, but that's what we have right now. I could always return some if I don't need it all. So that is it. I also bought, where are they? Some connectors. This, I tested it, it fits inside this pipe nice, and this goes on a 4-inch pipe coming out of the baffle. 2 of those, a couple 90s, which I may not need, and whatnot. So that is the material that I'm starting with. This should be enough to get the trench going, the electric, and everything underground, the pad level, and whatnot. Then after that's set, I'll pick up the timber for the foundation. All right, until then.